Anytime now, penultimate race. Thank you very much. Our racing program, Silip sa Tiempo. Pat Sarmiento May La Fresca. Yakal. Bringing forward Riderless. Good evening once again to all racing aficionados. All set now, ready to race. Race number 10, penultimate race. 1200 meters is the distance. Anytime now, race number 10. And the race is on. Shining light from the outside is 9 Dragon, Una Mujer. Moving up by the Blue Phoenix, then comes Dugus Paramore, rising up Yakal 6A, Magic Machine, Touch of Gold, entry number 2, second last, and this one's Jaden Dugo. Still Shining Light by about 4 lengths. 9 Dragon in second, rising up now is Yakal, Blue Phoenix, then comes Dugus Paramore, Una Mujer, Touch of Gold, Magic Machine, Jaden Dugo, and Fantastic G. And rounding the far turn, Shining Light, 9 Dragon, Yakalori outside, taking the second spot and still moving up as they race the last 500. Yakal takes the lead, 9 Dragon in between runners, Shining Light, Dugos Paramore, Danori inside as they race the final corner. Yakal, 9 Dragon by Dral and Dugos Paramore, Danori inside. Yakal, 9 Dragon in between runners, Dugos Paramore, but still Yakal, while the rider still with tight range and nearing the finish line. Jesse Basilia Guse on 6A Yakal, 9 Dragon, Dugos Paramore, Touch of Gold, Shining Light, Una Mujer, Magic Machine, Jaden Dugo, Fantastic G, Blue